Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. This is for a mini small little reading for the weekend, just to check your energies and see how you guys are doing and what you need to know. This is for the weekend of the 6th of November, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's start with the angel blessing card for you as always to bless our reading. Let's see what our angels will bless you or guide you with, and then we'll start your tarot. So my angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Capricorn gang, please. Okay, this one. All right. Let's put these back, Capricorn, and see what blessing is in store for you. Retreat. It's time to take a step back, to Capricorn, from something, or maybe just give yourself a little break from whatever you've been doing and chill out a little bit. I have no clue what this retreat means for you. We will get to know in a second once I do your tarot and see why this retreat card is for you, Capricorn, today, and what you need to know and why you should retreat and from what. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all with me today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So this, as I said, is just a mini little read. Your longer readings are soon to be uploaded, Sunday onwards. Look out for them. And if any of you need a private reading, my schedule is open. You can email me at my email, which is in the description box below. Something is coming to an end, it seems, here, Capricorn. Let's see what this is. 10 of Pentacles, Strength, and the Ace of Swords. Brilliant cards. Let's see. Hierophant, Commitment card, King of Wands, and then the Tower. Uh-oh, what happened here? This is something to do with a marriage or a commitment or a long-term partnership. This is something to do with a happily ever after. Yes, there could be marriage involved with the Hierophant card. Maybe you've been waiting for it. Maybe you've been waiting for communication regarding it. But somebody is being a little defensive here, Capricorn, as I say. Somebody is not maybe offering it to you. There are secrets kept here. Things are still hidden. Things have not come to light, and one of you, either you, Capricorn, or your person, has been very strong and been waiting for some communication and holding on tight, not letting this hope to die that things will get better, secrets will come out, clarity will come one day, commitment will come one day from this King of Wands. Maybe right now you may be not feeling that loved up because like I said, your emotions are running high and you're still seeking the clarity for commitment, for anything long-term or stability or something like that. You are taking stock now to see, is it worth even investing in? Who's investing what? How much has been invested? And is it making me happy, the investment that's been put in this relationship till now? So this Ace of Swords, Spirit, what's this Ace of Swords? Very restless, Capricorn. You're feeling, I think, a little restless now because you're maybe noticing that, the kind of love and attention that you're looking for. And just give me a second, Capricorn. My phone is ringing. I'm sorry, Capricorn. I got interrupted for a second. But yes, I do see a lot of restless energy around you right now. You are wondering that I hope I'm not being made a fool of here. You could be dealing with somebody who is a bit prideful, a bit selfish, maybe a little egoistic. Maybe they are so busy with their own life that maybe the commitment that you have been seeking has not yet come, and you may be worried that I hope I'm not being foolish here. Yes, maybe all the promises made by this person were all hot air, and they were false promises. You really wanted to you were waiting for this victory, but right now I see you a little nervous and not very sure whether this is actually going to happen. You may be a bit conflicted right now, or maybe there is a little bit of a fight coming between the two of you, and this could lead to a tower moment where all this confusion will end. You'll be able to end this burden. So I don't know what this tower moment is for you, Capricorn. Is it going to be revealing the truth in a good way, or let's see. What's this tower moment coming up for Capricorn spirit? Wow, okay. One more. I think this conflict or this fight that you either have had or you're going to have is going to be about this this situation, right? This are we getting married? Are we committed? Or maybe if you're in a marriage, what's happening with our committed relationship? Are we going to be together or not? Like both these cards are marriage and commitment cards. So I think somebody is going to be called out to make a decision, final decision. It's going to lead to a big tower moment. Okay. So spirit-wise, this Five of Pentacles here, Five of Pentacles. It may come as a shock, I think, a complete shock when this person may not want to answer you completely immediately. You may think of maybe it's time now to shut this chapter down and retreat from this relationship, because just waiting around is not making me giving me any wish fulfillment. It makes me feel abandoned, left out in the cold. And this person is not willing to give me a decision, not willing to give me an answer here. Let's see what's going to finally happen. The Chariot, which is nice. Four of Swords and the Temperance. Okay, so things are going to start speeding up after. Yes, you will be able to. I'm going to put this back. It came out sideways. Yes, you are trying to move ahead now from these troubled times into a calmer space for yourself. A lot of healing is required right now, Capricorn. Maybe you've already had this fight and this person has not yet given you the answer yet. So even though you wanted to move ahead immediately, maybe this person has not yet responded with a loving message or something. I see you in deep healing at the moment this weekend. Yeah, the card is out again. The card I put back because it was sideways, but it's come up right now. So yes, you have a lot of love for this person. Okay, maybe you've loved a person who is not very committed kind of a person. They have dipped in and out of your life, and you've mistaken it for somebody who's going to actually kind of propose to you one day and marry you or something like that. And now you are thinking about it and you're in contemplation about it as to, is this person really just a player who's using me and giving me false promises all the time? This is not the most mature energy that I see here, Capricorn. The Knight of Cups in reverse is again false promises, and this is a player card. So I think this weekend you're going to take some time out, pull back your love and not be that expressive. After this fight or tower moment, you're going to be taking some time out to heal. I see two cards of healing here, Capricorn, for you, but I will clarify them. So Spirit, Four of Swords for Capricorn. And the Temperance. Yes, you are going to turn your back for a while, Capricorn, it seems, from this partnership. You are halting this relationship for the time being. You are kind of trying to balance out your own life and maybe trying to see maybe what else is out there. You don't want to be at crossroads anymore. So either you're thinking, thinking, as I say, thinking, the thinking card comes out. You are in hermit mode right now and thinking about all this passionate union of you and this person. You want a decision made, and will it be made, Spirit? What can Capricorn expect? What can they expect? There's a bit of delay, Spirit says. This weekend I see you feeling a little isolated and you are working on yourself, maybe for yourself, you're retreating and releasing your need to contact this person. You are trying to heal yourself from this fight, which could be a toxic situation for you. This anger, maybe there was angry words or regret or sadness. You are trying to heal yourself. There is a bit of delay in this answer coming to you, whether it's getting enlightened from within or it's from this person, but I do see you in deep contemplation. Okay, the answer will come as to whether that you are supposed to passionately move ahead in this connection, or are you going to now retreat. Okay, so take this weekend off, Capricorn. Take some time for yourself. Right now you may be feeling betrayed, you may be feeling down in the dumps, but it's not going to last forever. You know that, right? The only constant in life that we have, Capricorn, is change. Okay, this too shall pass. You will come to a new day. Every night has a morning, right? But if you need a private reading, of course you can reach me. We can tap into the other person's energy and see what they're all about, whether they're even worth spending even a weekend thinking about. But otherwise, it's all right. You take some retreat, take some time out for yourself. Heal yourself, give yourself self-love, okay? Don't focus all your attention on them at the moment. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.